welcome to my channel. Today's video I will be unboxing and putting up my own grass wall from Amazon. I'm so excited. This is what came in the box. I'm going to be linking down below what link and vendor I use from Amazon. So I am so excited. Let's start this video. So I wanted to spice up my salon suite a bit, and I decided to do a grass wall for my pictures and videos. And I'm so excited because I love being creative, and I feel like just bringing in the new year with new pictures and energy and just changing up some stuff is always good. So I'm just going to show you guys how I did this. These came with 6 panels and they all link together. It does come with the zip ties, but I did not use those in this video. What I did was I just linked the panels together, and then I took the thumbnails and I thumbnailed them into the wall because I didn't want to put too much damage on the wall, and because this is a light product, it worked perfect. So as you can see right here, each panel has these little knots that are sticking out. Each knot has like a matching loop on another panel that you can rotate to fit it. So what I'm doing right here is, as you can see, I'm just going to clamp these little dots on the top of this onto the little poked out dots that's on the other panel. So it's kind of like a puzzle where you can connect them, which is super cool because I thought it would be more difficult, but this was just how I connected all mine together. Alright, so I took these little thumbtacks right here, they're clear, and I just took them where the ends needed to be to the wall because I wanted to be flat. I didn't want it to puff out. This will puff out on the wall, so make sure you do thumbtacks or nails to kind of pin it down so it's flat on the wall. Came out so pretty. I love how good quality this wall is. I got it for a good deal, and I love that I get to customize it. I went to the dollar store and got these beautiful flowers and these little butterflies. I love butterflies. It represents so much, and I'm just gonna stick those on the wall. I am gonna eventually do a neon light sign, but I might buy some more panels just to make it bigger. I only had 6 right here, but I'm thinking of maybe putting it on the other wall. But for now, this is gonna work for my pictures and videos. But it's super cute because you could customize it any way you want. You could put flowers, you could leave it plain, you can get like a neon light. It's so creative and beautiful for a space in your room, your office, anything. I'm just so excited to see how everybody's reaction is. But yeah, I hope you like this video, you guys. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.